Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Hurley beach umbrella on the market, the LOTTAFUN 6.5-foot beach umbrella. Whether you're heading to the beach, poolside, or just relaxing in your backyard, this umbrella promises to be the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. First off, the design of this umbrella stands out for its effortless portability. The lightweight, foldable frame comes with a handy carry bag, making it super easy to pack up and take anywhere. Whether you want to slip it into your backpack, car trunk, or beach tote, it's designed to go wherever you do. Setup is quick and hassle-free, giving you instant shade in seconds without any complicated assembly. When it comes to sun protection, the LOTTAFUN beach umbrella doesn't disappoint. Its generous 6.5-foot canopy comfortably covers 2 to 3 people, providing ample shade for family or friends. The fabric offers a military-grade UPF 50+ rating, blocking 99% of harmful UV rays. This means you can enjoy those long beach days or outdoor picnics without worrying about sunburn or overheating. Wind resistance is a huge factor when choosing a beach umbrella, and LOTTAFUN has engineered this model with serious durability in mind. The pole is made from a thickened 1.26-inch fiberglass, reinforced with strong ribs for extra stability. What really sets it apart is the 20-inch deep burial spiral sand anchor system. This anchor digs deep into the sand, ensuring the umbrella stays firmly in place even when winds get strong. It's built to handle winds over level 8, and with dual stabilization technology, you'll experience zero wobbling or flipping during storms. It's also been tested in a 72-hour wind tunnel to prove its resilience. Another clever feature is the smart angle adjustment paired with an aerodynamic vent at the top of the canopy. This vent isn't just for airflow. It reduces wind resistance by 35%, which means less chance of your umbrella getting knocked over. Plus, it comes equipped with a gravity sensor alarm that alerts you in real time if the umbrella is tilting too far, keeping you safe and secure. Durability goes beyond just wind resistance. The fabric is water resistant and combined with rust-proof materials. This umbrella is made to withstand not only the sun but also salt and sand. This means it's designed to last season after season, whether you use it at the beach, camping trips, sports events, or just lounging poolside. The overall weight of this umbrella is surprisingly light at just around 2 pounds, making it easy to carry around without any strain. Its dimensions when open are 75 inches by 75 inches, giving you a spacious shade area without being too bulky. In summary, the LOTTAFUN 6.5-foot beach umbrella is a fantastic blend of portability, durability, and sun protection. Its wind-resistant features and smart design elements make it ideal for anyone looking for a reliable umbrella that performs well in tough outdoor conditions. If you're searching for an umbrella that is easy to carry, quick to set up, and strong enough to handle wind and sun, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.